ifomo, ya sifomo, ifomo, bathi ukuphuthelwa, ifomo, fear of missing out, ifomo, ya sifomo, ifomo, ifomo, ya sifomo, bathi ukuphuthelwa bona, ifomo, fear of missing out, ifomo, aye.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. And so we'll also the Jesu Guluva lowa doing lapana go Big Brother Mzansi kwanyakata mhlaba wonke kwanyakata South Africa besicela ngca kubona kunyakata alive kangaka guys kuyine nje umuntu Big Brother uthanza ngendlela lesimanga Guluva kani kuleli viki leliphelile undlulelo ngisesi wakhe emhlabeni ulwazi azwane so i-team yakhe beyicelile nje ikhiphe statement lapha ku Instagram icela statement sakhona was just circulating lapha kuma social media platforms la baqala khona ukuthi simnike Guluva isikhathi sokuthi akhona kumona njengoba andlulele emhlabeni ngisesi wakhe unolwazi zwane. So those who don't know been asking ukuthi unolwazi and Guluva how are they related? Unolwazi and Guluva guys bantu abamake munye, like unolwazi was Guluva's sister, like ukweva abantu bathi like guys, they are siblings. So unolwazi undlulile emhlabeni cause of death was not revealed akani abantu abaningi beve buhlungu kakhulu guys ngemva ukuthi bevele simemetelo sokuthi siswa Guluva akasekho emhlabeni. So siyamati unolwazi we've seen unolwazi rooting for her brother nangalesikhathi alaphana ku Big Brother house posta ku social media ukuthi sivotele Guluva like nje beka always beka da siyamati. So I'm shocked about labantu labathibona abamati kunolwazi. Unolwazi was Guluva's sister, so undlulile emhlabeni last week bebambeka nje na the past weekend. So keep a video lapana go Instagram Guluva la bekabonakala khona qula, so people felt ukuthi okusho ukuthi so ubuyile Guluva njengoba siyambona nkosi yami in the video, she's even laughing, smiling, kusho ukuthi mhlambe sesingaqala nyalo ukuthi sithi sicela ama picture asithembe ukuthi ngikaze sishaye iskot maphuma, because but we know ukuthi Guluva guys, like he's a great person. That's why some people are even saying ukuthi that guy lo Scott ma attitude kumele afunze one or two things from Guluva because waphatha kahle ma fans akhe. So people are really happy kumbona buyile, kumbona getting better guys. Kulahlekelwa umuntu omthandzako akusimnanzi, ngisho kuthiwa umuntu nje uyamati kubhlungu kukodwa ukuthi uyamati. So how about mase ulahlekelwe isibling your sister kubhlungu endlela lesimanga. So siyajabula njena ukuthi ubuyile, nabantu abaningi they were just say commenting lapha kule video, oh, welcome back, some were laughing, some were saying ukuthi oh, welcome back sweet G. So njengoba sesingaqala manje sithi sicela i-picture kulokhuzana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.